3 of the Kids Division. With 6 points, let me call on Arena International Master Shane Pat Lopez. Second place, another 6-pointer. Let me call on Keith Gaspon.
Magkano sila kasali?
Oo naman. Sophia. Halika dito, minsan lang to.
And the champion of our 13th Loop Star Kids Division with 6.5 points. Let me call on Marco Piolo Savito. Aba, sumama na yung team. Sige.
Ang dami ng champion.
Ang dami ng champion, ah. Sige, picture.
Wala solo si Marco dapat.
Ayan. So, thank you sa ating Roy Lopez Club. Now, let's have the champion, Marco. Second and third, come forward, please.
May Facebook po sila kayo.
And now, group photo champion, second and third place. Let me present to you the top 1 to 3 of our Kids Division. Congratulations. Now let's proceed to the team award.